Hello everybody! How are you? Back with me. If you're new here, I am Aldis. I am a makeup artist. I often do my video every week. So today I would like to show you how I do my glam makeup. I did this on my IG story, so if you haven't followed me on Instagram, please go check me there. On my IG story, I'm not really explain in details, so I will do more explanation in here. I rocked this makeup look when I went to Pat McGrath event. If you haven't watching my video from last week, I attend Pat McGrath event here in London, and now it's time to play around with her product. And yeah, just gonna have fun. If you want to know how I do this look, without any further ado, let's jump up to the makeup. Okay, I prepped my skin already, and then now I'm gonna use primers. Primers, which mean a lot of primers that I will use. First primers I will be using is from G1 Jelly Pack. This is Korean brand. I like this primer because of the texture that they have. It's like, it's sticky, it's tacky, can you see, like that, but it has like a firming effect to your face. And a lot of people might get confused how to use this primer because of the texture. So what I normally do is just like put it on my hands a bit and then rub it off, just pat it to my face. After that, the second primer that I will be using is a pore filling primer. This primer, it will give love to your pores because you don't want them to show off. So I just put it on my special area, which is around my cheek over here, and a little bit on my nose. And then I'll be using this fancy lip balm from Pat McGrath. I feel so fancy. It has slightly vanilla scented, I guess, but it feels very nice. You can't doubt Pat McGrath, right? But it is expensive. Now my lips feel fabulous. Next up is the foundation. I will be using 3 steps of my foundation. The key is about layering. I'll be using this from Suq. This is Extra Rich Glow Cream Foundation. It's very creamy, it's very light. It's like you're not wearing any foundation. That's the reason why I liked it. With brush from Suq as well. I always start at the center of my face. So the reason I do this is just for me to achieve like a very nice base. So I'm happy with my first base, and then second layer is contouring / another foundation. I will use this from Burberry in shade Warm Honey. I'm just gonna contour. Just put a couple dots at the bridge of my nose, and then blend it all again. And this is my third layer of my foundation. I'm using Giorgio Armani, the Luminous Silk Foundation number 8. This tab is a concealer to me. I am very rare to wearing concealer. I just don't like it with the texture of the concealer, because what I'm trying to achieve is like still skin looking. I'm just cover some spot. Maybe you might find my trick is like it's very tricky, because why don't you just like put foundation there and then, you know, and then just spread it all out. Again, it's just my preference. This is how I like to do. I also do this to my model and client. Like, I don't want to put a lot of product. Like, well, I did put a lot of product, but like I told you from the first time, it's the key is layering. With this type of foundation, I can leave it for a while and then go back again. And now I'm moving to eyes. I will use Mothership Sublime. This is the mini palette. I'm gonna use Ritualistic to all over my lid. Oh, path my grave. Guys, I just put like one dip, but this is what you get from Path product. Do you understand me? It's full pack of pigment. And then just blend the edges with fluffy brush. But with the leftover color from the brush, just drag it down just to give a symphony, harmony. And I don't want to make an actual eyeliner, so I will just draw from the shadow with pointy brush like this. I take a little bit of deep velvet, put it like very close to my lash line to give you such a, you know, like liner shadow. Also a little bit on the outer corner, just to connect the line. Such a wing liner kind of thing. And then I'm just gonna use my finger, and this will be at the center of my lid. Blend it again. I will use Platinize. So good, but I don't want it too much, but it's just like you can't help it because they are really good. Because now I already see my concealer become dry a little bit, so we go back to them. Now it's time to tighten my eyes. See, I told you this is work. Ta-ta! Using brown eyeliner. And curl my lashes. This curler from Suki is like, I feel like they made it for me. Because this is like exactly for my eye shape. So if you have similar eye shape like me, go find this Suki lash curler. Move on to the brows. I will use this soft brows from Soft Brows. I'm just gonna spritz my spoolie and then just wiggle to the soap. Often what I did, just like brush it up and then make like a good shape, a little bit down on the tail, and they will stay like this. The best to hold your brow. You know that? Look at that. I just gonna feel the gap here. Some of my friends asking me what is this liquid pen liner, and the answer is I don't know. I bought this when I was in Japan. That time I was doing my bicycle tour. My husband took me somewhere for dinner, so I need to get ready. Bought a couple of things from 7-Eleven. Pretty much you can get everything on 7-Eleven in Japan. And their dessert was like amazing. And I'm still stuck with this brow pen. We move on to lips, and I can't decide which one I should use. I don't think this is my color. I will use Flash 5 because definitely this is my color. Oh my god. It's matte. It feels like you're not wearing anything. Wow. Ooh. And then if you notice, I haven't put any blush, because this will be my blush. Woo! My god. Oh, wow. The formula, it's amazing. So I often use my lipstick as my blush because I'm just use any leftover from my finger after I smudge the lipstick that I wear. It will just gonna give me like a hint of color, right? Like whatever the leftover from my finger. But this lipstick, you see that, right? Oh wow. This is the highlighter duo from Pat. Cause I saw Pat just put it on the model, so I'm just gonna do the same like what mother show us. So she just do like she said.
Okay, see the shine.
Oh my god. Can you see that? This is not a glittery highlighter, definitely, which I love. Okay, one more. Mamma mia. Wow. Now try to use the balm. I'm just gonna do like this. I'm in love. I'm gonna use it here. I noticed from herself that she also use it under her eyes. I asked her like, did you use your skin fetish? You noticed? Yeah. I noticed under your eyes, and she was like, yeah. And this is her favorite product. Wow. Well, you can use a normal balm, but this balm it doesn't move my makeup at all. I am happy. Okay. I'm happy with that. Oh my god, look at that. And then powder, strategically to placing the powder. Lastly, I am gonna try this. I heard a lot good review about this. Wow. Definitely lift up my lashes. For me personally, I don't mind with mascara that makes clumpy, because the dirtiest, the way more I liked it. But I remember she told us about this mascara. You can build it up. If you don't like that feeling of having a lot of mascara, you can just put this like a little bit. But for me, I want full of my lashes. Can you see that? I was thinking to use the individual lashes, but I don't think I need that for this one. I kinda love it like this. I'm just gonna say bye to my individual lashes because I'm happy with my lashes over here with this another amazing product from Pat McGrath. Wow. It is really good. I think I'm done. Right, this is the end of this video. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you always find my video very helpful. I know I'm such a quirky to apply my makeup, but this is what it suits me best. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video and see you on my next one. Bye. This is what it